Hello and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today we are going to be making a Play-Doh burger. Really exciting, I love how it looks. So all you need for this is some Play-Doh. You need red, orange, brown, yellow, white, green. You need a rolling pin, a knife, and some round cookie cutters. So what we're going to do is take our orange Play-Doh and halve it. This is so we can get the top and the bottom layer of the bun. Roll it out and then cut out a perfect circle shape using your cookie cutter. Repeat the same thing with the bottom layer. Now we're going to take a chunk of the brown, not too much, and we're going to do pretty much the same thing, except we're going to make this layer slightly thicker because this is our patty layer. Now we're going to roll our yellow out flat. Now cut a square using your knife. This is the layer of cheese. Take a bit of your red Play-Doh and roll it out. Using a smaller cookie cutter, cut out 2 circles. These are your tomatoes. Now we're going to make the lettuce. This is all about warping it with your fingers. You don't need to roll it at all. And finally, we're going to layer up our burger. Pop on the patty, put the cheese on top of it. Then we're going to put our lettuce, followed by our 2 tomatoes, and finally, the top of the bun. Now we need some sesame seeds. So get your white Play-Doh and make some tiny little balls and pop them on top. And there you have it, a perfect Play-Doh burger. Thanks for watching HooplaKidz How To. We have been making a Play-Doh burger. If you've liked the video, please do give it a thumbs up. Let us know how you got on in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And of course, we'll see you again next time. Hello everyone, welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today, we are going to be doing a really cool Play-Doh Easter basket. This is super simple, but it looks great. All you're going to need is a craft knife, green Play-Doh, pink Play-Doh, yellow Play-Doh, purple Play-Doh, and some orange Play-Doh. You can use any different colours you like though. Get creative. So first I'm making the base of the basket using our orange Play-Doh. Then I'm going to make 3 spaghetti strips using the yellow. We're going to plait the yellow ones together. If you don't know how to do a plait, why don't you watch HooplaKidz Style and find out? And here we go. Now it looks like the basket has been woven. How cool is that? Neaten up both the ends. Now we're going to wrap it around the base. And there you have it, a really cool basket. Finally, it's time to make some Easter eggs. But remember, you can use any different colours you like. Get creative! And there you have it, that easy. So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. If you have enjoyed this video, please do let us know in the comment box below because we'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel above, and we'll see you again very soon. Thanks for watching! Hello and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today we are going to be making a Play-Doh birthday cake. So all you need for this is some Play-Doh. You need green, brown, white, yellow, pink, and purple. We need a pencil, a knife, and a round cookie cutter. So first, you're going to take the brown Play-Doh and roll it with the rolling pin. Then you're going to use your cookie cutter to make a perfect circle. This is the base of your cake. We're going to repeat these same steps with the white Play-Doh and the pink Play-Doh. So layer your cake up, it'll be brown on the bottom, it'll be the nice yummy cream white in the middle, and pink icing on top. There you go, it's looking great already. So now we're gonna make some decorations for the top of the cake. I've got some purple Play-Doh and I am rolling it out to get it flat so I can make the petals of a flower. I'm going to pinch the ends to make them look lifelike, and then I'm going to put them on top of the cake. Now I'm going to take a little bit of yellow Play-Doh to make the center of the flower. Pop it in the middle. And finally, some green Play-Doh to make the stem and leaves. Roll it into a nice thin noodle. And there you have the stem of the flower. Don't forget to make some leaves the same way you made the petals. You can make them a little bit bigger. And use the knife to score them with the veins of the leaf. Finally, using your knife, score the petals so it looks even more real. And there you go, a perfect Play-Doh birthday cake. Thanks for watching HooplaKidz How To. We hope you've liked the video. If you have, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. And any questions, comments, or if you've made the birthday cake and want to let us know, please do comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And we will see you again next time. Hello everyone, welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make Play-Doh ice cream. Doesn't this look delicious? So good you could almost eat it. All you're going to need is green Play-Doh, pink Play-Doh, yellow Play-Doh, orange Play-Doh, a rolling pin, brown Play-Doh, a Play-Doh knife, and white Play-Doh. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is to roll out our orange Play-Doh. We're going to make the cones out of this colour. Do a big zigzag so we end up with 4 different triangles. So the first thing to do is to add scoring to the body. We do this in one direction diagonally and then in the other direction diagonally. The next thing we've got to do is to make the actual important bit, the ice cream. I'm going to make circles out of white and pink. So that's vanilla and strawberry. Add them to the ice cream cone, like so. It's looking delicious already, isn't it? Now I'm going to make some other ice cream cones with other flavours. Don't forget to score the cones. This just adds extra detail. Now I'm going to roll out some yellow Play-Doh. Banana flavoured ice cream, delicious! And more strawberry. Yummy! Why don't we try some green for mint flavoured ice cream? Delicious! And finally, let's get the brown Play-Doh. This is for chocolate ice cream, of course. Also, we're going to make some delicious flake bars out of the brown to add detail to our ice cream. Don't forget to score the brown Play-Doh, then they really do look like flakes. Remember, you can't eat these though. Now I'm going to use some of the brown Play-Doh to add chocolate chips to the mint ice cream. Delicious! Now all we have to do is assemble our ice creams. So I'm going to add a flake to my strawberry and mint chocolate chip. I've got chocolate and banana, and then chocolate and mint chocolate chip. Delicious. Don't forget to add your flake bars. And there you have it. That's how you make Play-Doh ice cream. It's so delicious you could eat it, but don't forget, you shouldn't. So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. If you have enjoyed this video, please do let us know in the comment box below because we love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel above, and we'll see you again next time. Thanks so much for watching.